This will be for the con assignment, evaluate logarithms. Okay, so we learned previously that logarithm is just another way of writing exponents. Okay, so this is log base b of the argument a equals x. Okay, so this is basically just asking 2 to what power x equals 8, right? We're trying to solve for x. And this is basically just asking 2 to what power x equals 8. All right? But we know that 2 to the third equals 8. Okay, so x is just 3. And you put that in the box. Okay, now if you can't figure it out, there's a simple way to do this on the calculator. Alright, if you have log base 2 of 8, the easiest way to do this on the calculator, it's called the change of base formula. Okay, you can do the log of 8 divided by the log of 2. Okay, and the way to remember this formula is that the base always goes on the bottom. Just remember, base b goes on the bottom. Okay, so this is actually log base 10. Alright, but you don't write the 10 on the calculator. You just do log of 8 divided by log of 2. So if you have the calculator, I could just do log of 8 and close the parentheses divided by log of 2 and close the parentheses. Okay, and hit equals and you get 3. That just means that 2 to the third power equals 8. Alright, and that's what they were asking. 2 to what power equals 8, and it's just 3. Alright, so this one's very easy. The base is 2. The exponent, we don't know. And that equals 4. Okay, so it's asking 2 to what power equals 4? Well, obviously 2 squared equals 4. So the exponent x is just 2. That goes in the box. Alright, so here they're asking 6. Remember, inside the box is your exponent x. They're asking 6 to what exponent equals 36. Okay, but we already know 6 squared, or 6 to the second power, equals 36. Okay, so x is just 2. You put it in the box. Okay, this is x right here. So they're saying 5 to what power equals 25. But we know 5 squared is 25. So x is just 2. Alright. Here they're saying 2 to what power is 32. Well, I know that 2 to the 5th equals 32. So x is just 5. Okay, if you can't figure it out, log base 2 of 32, right? If you can't figure it out, use the calculator. Do the log of 32 divided by the log of 2. Okay, remember the base number always goes on the bottom. Okay, so if I do this on the calculator, I should get 5. So I'm going to do log of 32, close parentheses, divided by log of 2, close parentheses. Hit equals and you get 5. That's because 2 to the 5th equals 32. Alright, last one. This is 7 to what power equals 343. Alright, I know x is 3, but in case you don't know it, just use the calculator. Do the log of 343 divided by the log of 7. Okay, remember the base goes on the bottom. So it's going to be log of 343 divided by log of 7. Alright, don't forget to close the parentheses, hit equals, and that's 3 because 7 to the 3rd power equals 343. Alright, and if you want to write down the change of base formula, let me see. That would be log base b of a, and on the calculator you would do log of a divided by log of b. Okay, the base b always goes on the bottom. Okay, and this is log base 10, but you don't need base 10 when you use the calculator. When you use the calculator, the log is automatically base 10.